Okay, now I'm going to show you how to record your answers. Okay, for these questions. First, you need to listen to the questions by clicking play button. Mhm. Can a particular disaster be a good thing? Now, think of one natural disaster. How can technology lessen the damage caused by this particular natural disaster? Lastly, what do you think about people who follow tornadoes around to video, photograph, or get data? Okay, so after you listen to this sample audio, sorry, uh, listen to these questions, yeah, uh, click this button, okay, yeah, okay, click this button here, okay, plus button, and find this one, yeah, okay, voice, record your voice, and it will starting microphone. Okay, click this microphone button here and answer your answer my questions. Okay, so first, uh, can disaster be a good thing? Yes, some natural disaster can be a good thing. For example, volcanic eruptions. Okay, after years, yeah, the ashes from the volcanic eruptions will give new life to the plantations, to the ground. Okay, it will create a good compost, good compositions for the plantations. And think of one natural disaster. Okay, I think of an earthquake and how technology lessen the impact. uh, yeah, we can build a structure, a building that withstand the earthquake. For example, like dome house, or some people call it Teletubbies house. Yes, it can withstand the effect of uh, earthquake because of its structure. Yes, that's new technology to survive from an earthquake. Yeah, with the building. Last questions about people who chase the tornadoes. I think they are, if they just chase the tornadoes to take pictures or video, okay, they are crazy. Yeah, but some scientists will chase the tornadoes to get some data about tornadoes. And I think they are not crazy. They are very smart. They have knowledge about what they are doing. But if you follow the tornadoes just to take pictures of or video, okay, you are insane. Yeah, it's very dangerous place to be around. Okay, thank you. Now I will show you how to end this. Yeah, and you can play back the audio and save. Okay, play back the audio. Okay, and when you think it's a good audio, you can just give a title to it. Okay, my answer, for example, is Kandar's answer. Okay, and that's save. As easy as that. Yeah. Okay, that's how you can record your voice using Padlet. Okay.